Thailand 2025 welcomes travelers with open arms, golden temples, and crystal beaches, but entering the country now comes with new rules every tourist should know. It's still paradise, just a smarter, more digital version of it. Before you even board your flight, Thailand now requires all travelers to fill out the new Thailand Digital Arrival Card online. Gone are the paper forms at customs, replaced by a sleek online system you can complete within 72 hours before arrival. It's quick and easy, but skipping it can delay your entry. The form asks for your passport, travel dates, and accommodation details, and once done, you'll receive a confirmation QR code to present on arrival. At airports, that QR code is your fast pass. Immigration officers scan it in seconds, welcoming travelers more efficiently than ever before. For most tourists, Thailand remains one of the easiest destinations in Asia to visit. Citizens from over 60 countries can enter visa-free for up to 60 days, including travelers from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and much of Europe. That's an upgrade from the previous 30-day limit, giving visitors more time to explore, relax, and enjoy. But the government now monitors repeat entries more closely to prevent misuse of short-term stays. If you've been entering Thailand multiple times in a year, expect questions at immigration. Officials may ask for proof of onward travel or financial means to confirm your purpose is genuine tourism. For longer visits, the single-entry tourist visa remains the most common choice. It gives you 60 days in the country and can be extended once for another 30 days at an immigration office. The extension process is simple. Bring your passport, a copy of your entry stamp, a small photo, and your hotel booking, and you'll walk out with a new date stamped in your passport. If you plan to leave and return during your stay, there's a multiple entry tourist visa available. It lasts for 6 months and allows you to exit and re-enter as many times as you like within that period. This is popular among travelers exploring neighboring countries. It's ideal for people who want to visit Cambodia, Laos, or Vietnam while keeping Thailand as their main base. For long-term travelers, new opportunities have opened in 2025. Thailand now offers a long-term resident visa that covers digital professionals, retirees, and highly skilled workers. It allows up to 10 years of residence for eligible applicants. You'll need proof of income or employment, but the process has become far more accessible. Retirement visas remain available for travelers over 50. Applicants show financial stability and health coverage, and in return, enjoy renewable stays without constant border runs. Families can apply for non-immigrant O visas, which allow spouses and dependents to stay together. Requirements are moderate, focusing mainly on proof of relationship and funds. One rule that hasn't changed is Thailand's firm stance on overstays. The fine is 500 baht per day, capped at 20,000, and overstaying too long can lead to a re-entry ban. For travelers who plan correctly, avoiding penalties is easy. Always track your dates, apply for extensions early, and keep your passport updated. Biometric systems are now standard at all international airports. Fingerprints and face scans make security smoother and overstays easier to detect. Business visitors can apply for the non-immigrant B visa. It's now fully digital and can be approved faster for company employees or those attending business meetings. Thailand's immigration policy is no longer just paperwork, it's precision. The country's goal is to maintain its reputation for hospitality while protecting its borders with efficiency. At land borders, travelers can still enter visa-free but only twice per year. Air arrivals don't have this limit, so most tourists never encounter an issue. Proof of funds is occasionally requested at entry. Tourists may be asked to show enough money for their stay, typically 20,000 baht per person or 40,000 per family. Simple preparation goes a long way. Having a printed or digital bank statement is often enough to breeze through immigration confidently. Travel insurance is another smart move. While not mandatory for every visitor, coverage that includes medical care and emergencies is strongly recommended. Many hotels and tour agencies now ask if travelers are insured. It's a sign of how Thailand continues to put safety and care at the center of its tourism. The new systems have also made visa extensions easier. Many immigration offices now allow travelers to register appointments online and skip long queues. In Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and Phuket, the extension counters are faster than ever. You can often complete everything in under an hour if you come prepared. The 60-day visa-free rule has boosted tourism in 2025. It allows more flexible itineraries for those who want to explore the country's diverse landscapes without constant paperwork. Western tourists often combine Bangkok's urban energy with Phuket's beaches and Chiang Mai's serenity. This flexibility is part of what makes Thailand such an enduring favorite. The introduction of the digital arrival card has nearly eliminated entry errors. Everything is linked electronically, so your immigration history stays consistent and secure. This has helped reduce queues and confusion at airports. The entire process feels seamless from check-in to arrival. Thailand also continues to attract digital nomads. From beachside co-working cafes in Koh Samui to creative studios in Chiang Mai, the country is a magnet for online workers. For them, the new remote work visa provides stability. Holders can live in Thailand legally for years without frequent renewals or visa runs. The government is shifting towards sustainable tourism. By filtering out short-term visa abuse, it ensures long-term visitors and genuine travelers enjoy a balanced experience. Border officers are still friendly and approachable. Their English skills have improved across major entry points, making communication easier for all tourists. Overstay detection has improved with linked databases. This change encourages travelers to plan their stays carefully rather than risk unnecessary penalties. Thailand's entry rules are designed to protect both visitors and locals. Each update helps maintain smooth travel, cultural respect, and economic balance. For many travelers, the new systems are barely noticeable. You simply fill out your form, arrive with your QR code, and enjoy your holiday. Those arriving by air will find the experience faster than ever. The modernization has made Thailand's airports some of the most efficient in the region. If you arrive unprepared, expect delays but not hostility. Staff are patient, guiding you step by step through the digital entry process. Tourists are reminded to use official government websites only. Scammers occasionally create fake visa platforms that charge extra or steal data. Always check URLs carefully before entering your information. The official Thai e-visa portal and TDAC system are listed on government websites only. Frequent travelers appreciate how transparent the new rules are. There are fewer surprises, and every major airport has information screens explaining the latest updates. Visa renewals and extensions are now trackable online. Once your data is registered, future visits become smoother. This transparency builds trust with visitors. Thailand's shift to digital systems is about convenience, not control. Most importantly, these rules make travel fair for everyone. They give equal access to tourists from every country while keeping the process efficient. The focus of 2025's immigration policy is clarity. Every visitor understands how long they can stay, how to extend, and what to expect at borders. Even seasoned travelers find themselves impressed by the order. What was once a paper-heavy process now feels like a premium travel experience. Thailand's airports have kept their charm amid modernization. You'll still find orchids, smiling faces, and the occasional welcome back from immigration officers. The country continues to rank among the easiest destinations for global travelers. Friendly service, reasonable fees, and minimal bureaucracy set it apart. For those dreaming of longer stays, the new long-term visas make it achievable. Retirees, entrepreneurs, and digital professionals now find real stability here. As more people choose Thailand for work, leisure, or both, these reforms ensure tourism remains strong. The nation's balance between hospitality and regulation has become its greatest strength. Every step of your journey now feels smoother, from boarding to baggage claim. You land, clear immigration, and begin your adventure within minutes. For families traveling together, entry has become even easier. Children under 15 typically receive the same stay length as their parents automatically. Thailand's digital system now recognizes returning visitors instantly. Frequent travelers are rewarded with faster processing and fewer questions. Whether you're arriving in Bangkok, Phuket, Chiang Mai, or Krabi, the process is consistent. Each airport follows the same modern entry standard. Immigration officers encourage tourists to enjoy their stay and follow the rules. They understand that tourism is a shared relationship built on mutual respect. By embracing technology, Thailand has secured its place as one of the world's most welcoming destinations. The balance between safety and freedom feels effortless. Travelers continue to describe Thailand as a country that smiles with structure. You feel free, but you also feel guided. As global travel becomes more digital, Thailand sets the tone for smart tourism. It's a model other countries are beginning to follow. The new systems protect travelers' safety while preserving the joy of exploration. They keep the experience light, efficient, and beautiful, just like Thailand itself. For first-time visitors, the best advice is simple. Prepare your documents and enjoy the ride. Everything else will fall into place once you arrive. For returning travelers, the changes in 2025 feel refreshing. Less paperwork, more time, and an even warmer welcome. The rules may evolve, but Thailand's essence never changes. Smiles, beaches, temples, and kindness still define every experience. As you pass through immigration, you realize how effortless travel has become. One stamp and you're free to explore. The entry reforms of 2025 ensure everyone can enjoy Thailand without confusion or delay. It's a modern approach to an ancient culture of hospitality. Whether you're here for a week or a year, the goal remains the same. Travel with awareness, follow the rules, and Thailand will open its heart to you every time. The future of travel begins here, under golden skies and warm breezes. Thailand has built a gateway to paradise that welcomes the world with grace and order.